In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play The Sims 4 offline. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly use offline mode in the EA app. Keep in mind that if you play The Sims 4 through other means, such as Steam or even the old launcher such as Origin, you will have to do a different process. But I believe most people nowadays will be playing The Sims 4 through the EA app, so I'm going to show you how to set up offline mode in here. To do this, use the settings at the top left corner of the screen. So you will find these three lines. So click on these three lines to open a drop-down menu. When you open this menu, one of the options is going to be Go Offline. So all that you have to do to properly use offline mode in the EA app and consequently play The Sims 4 is to choose this option. Now, this will give you a very minimalistic view of the EA app. All that you will see are the installed games, which of course includes The Sims 4. So you can choose it from the list of games to play as long as it was installed previously. Continue playing in offline mode by launching an installed game. To exit offline mode, open the app menu and choose Go Online. So after you go offline, this option will switch into Go Online. And of course, you can click it again to go back and forth between online and offline modes. In offline mode, no one will be able to see your status and that you are playing The Sims 4, and all that you have to do is simply use the menu at the top left corner of the screen. If you cannot see the Go Offline mode for whatever reason, either because you are on a Mac or it simply does not appear, I would highly recommend trying to update the app and restarting it altogether. This should be an option in the settings, and it's the only way to properly use offline mode on the EA app. You can also do the same through other launchers such as Steam. I hope I was able to help you on how to play The Sims 4 offline. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.